In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on a Wacker Neuson RTSC3 Trench Roller how to get into diagnostic mode on the ECM if you need to read error codes, fault codes, or reset the tip over for the trench roller. So let's first take a look at the ECM. So the ECM is mounted by the engine. So it's important to understand there are two revisions of softwares for this ECM, version 1.0, which is current production, and 1.3, which is old production. So if you're utilizing version 1.3, there's a unique sequence of events or procedures we had to perform at the front of the machine in order to get into the diagnostic mode, in order to utilize and function this AB tool to navigate up and down to read codes and reset the tip over. So let's first take a look at the revision that we currently have installed. In order to do this, I'm going to key switch on and read the ECM. So we are working with version 1.3. So in order to get into the diagnostic mode of the ECM, I'm going to walk you through the procedure at the front of the machine. So we're first going to start off in the high throttle position. And we're going to be watching our LEDs going through our functions on the right-hand side here of the dash. So we're going to key switch on. Immediately go low, high. See the lights turn off. So we're going to go low. We're going to follow the lights. They go high. And we are now in diagnostic mode. So all we did was follow the lights on the display utilizing our throttle switch. Now if I look at my ECM, I'm able to read my fault codes as well as reset the tip over if needed or required, utilizing the AB tool, which is plugged in to the engine and the wiring harness here. So I'll go through that one more time. Okay, key switch is off. We're going to start in the high position. And we're going to follow the lights on the display. So we're going to key switch on, immediately go low, high. Watch the lights, low, high. And we're in diagnostic mode. Let's take a look at the ECM again. And we're able to read our fault codes.